Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on Shri Ann, the powerhouse of nutrients. In recent years, there has been growing awareness about the importance of traditional grains and their role in promoting sustainable agriculture and improving human health. Among these grains, Shri Ann, also known as millets, has emerged as a powerful and nutrient-rich food source. Shri Ann is a term that refers to a group of ancient grains including bajra, pearl millet, jowar, sorghum, ragi, finger millet, and other similar grains, which have been part of the traditional diet in India and many other parts of the world for thousands of years. With their immense nutritional value and adaptability to diverse climate conditions, Shri Ann is considered the superfood of the future. This essay delves into the nutritional benefits, health advantages, sustainability, and cultural significance of Shri Ann, illustrating why it is being hailed as a powerhouse of nutrients. What is Shri Ann? Shri Ann refers to a collection of small, hardy grains that have been cultivated for centuries in many parts of the world. These grains were once staples in the diet of rural communities, especially in areas where rice and wheat were less suited to the environment. However, due to their low demand and the rise of monoculture crops like rice and wheat, these nutritious grains have often been overlooked. In recent times, Shri Ann has gained significant attention for its health benefit and contribution to food security. The most commonly consumed varieties of Shri Ann include Bajra, pearl millet, known for its ability to grow in dry, arid region. Jowar, sorghum, a versatile grain that is gluten-free and rich in antioxidants. Ragi, finger millet, especially known for its high calcium content, making it beneficial for bone health. Kodo millet, little millet, and barnyard millet, other varieties that offer unique health benefits. Nutritional composition of Shri Ann. One of the most compelling reasons why Shri Ann is called the powerhouse of nutrients is its rich nutritional profile. These grains are packed with essential nutrients that are often lacking in modern highly processed foods. Let's explore the key nutrients found in Shri Ann. First, rich in protein. Shri Ann grains are an excellent source of plant-based protein. Millets such as bajra and jowar contain a good amount of protein compared to a more commonly consumed cereals like rice and wheat. Protein is essential for muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall bodily functions. For vegetarians and vegans, these grains are an excellent alternative to meat-based protein. Second, high in fiber. Shri Ann is rich in dietary fiber, which play a crucial role in digestive health. Fiber helps in regulating bowel movements, preventing constipation, and reducing the risk of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). A diet rich in fiber also helps in controlling blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Third, vitamins and minerals. Shri Ann grains are a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. They are rich in B vitamins such as niacin, thiamine, and riboflavin, which help in energy metabolism and maintaining a healthy nervous system. Moreover, these grains contain vital minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, which support bone health, heart function, and overall body functioning. Calcium. Ragi finger millet is particularly high in calcium, which is crucial for bone health and the prevention of osteoporosis. Iron. Millets like bajra and jowar are rich in iron, which helps prevent iron deficiency anemia. Zinc. These grains contain zinc, an essential mineral for immune function, cell growth, and repair. Fourth, antioxidants. Shri Ann is packed with antioxidants like phenolic compounds and flavonoids. These antioxidants play an important role in fighting oxidative stress and protecting the body from chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. The antioxidants in Shri Ann grains also help reduce inflammation in the body, promoting overall health and well being. Fifth, gluten free. Unlike wheat and barley, Shri Ann grains are naturally gluten free, making them an excellent choice for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. As gluten free grains, they offer a nutritious and versatile alternative for people on a gluten free diet. Health benefit of Shri Ann. The health benefits of Shri Ann are vast and varied. Incorporating these grains into your diet can lead to numerous positive health outcomes. Here are some of the major health benefits of Shri Ann. First, supports weight loss. Due to their high fiber content and low glycemic index, Shri Ann grains can help in weight management. Fiber help to increase feeling of fullness, reducing overeating. Additionally, the low glycemic index means that these grains do not cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, making them ideal for people looking to maintain a healthy weight. Second, improves digestive health. The high fiber content in Shri Ann improves digestion and helps prevent constipation. Regular consumption of these grains promotes healthy gut bacteria and support the gut microbiome, which is essential for overall digestive health. Moreover, fiber is known to prevent digestive disorders such as acid reflux and irritable bowel syndrome. Third, regulates blood sugar levels. For individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes, Shri Ann can be an excellent addition to the diet. The low glycemic index of millets means that they release sugar into the bloodstream, gradually preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the fiber and magnesium content in Shri Ann grains help in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Fourth, promotes heart health. The antioxidant properties of Shri Ann grains, along with their high fiber and mineral content, make them beneficial for cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of these grains can lower the risk of heart disease by reducing cholesterol levels, preventing high blood pressure, and protecting against oxidative stress. Fifth, boost bone health. Ragi, finger millet in particular, is rich in calcium, which is essential for bone development and strength. Consuming Shri Ann grains regularly can help prevent bone-related disorders such as osteoporosis and promote overall skeletal health. Shri Ann and sustainability. In addition to its numerous health benefits, Shri Ann also contributes to environmental sustainability. These grains are well adapted to grown in arid and semi-arid regions with low rainfall, making them an ideal crop for areas suffering from water scarcity and climate change. Millets have a lower water footprint compared to rice and wheat, making them more sustainable to cultivate. Furthermore, Shri Ann grains require fewer pesticides and fertilizers, reducing the environmental impact of their cultivation. Growing these grains in organic farming systems can help maintain soil fertility and promote biodiversity. Cultural significance of Shri Ann. Shri Ann grains hold cultural significance in many parts of the world, particularly in India, where they have been consumed for centuries. These grains were once a staple food of rural and tribal communities, providing them with the nutrition they needed to thrive in harsh climates. As urbanization and industrial agriculture took over, these grains slowly lost their place in mainstream diets. However, there is now a renewed interest in these traditional grains due to their health benefits and environmental sustainability. In many parts of India, millets are prepared in various forms like roti, khichdi, porridge, and upma. These traditional dishes are not only delicious but also a testament to the rich agricultural heritage of the country. Conclusion: Shri Ann is truly a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a wide range of health benefits and playing a crucial role in sustainable agriculture. Its rich nutritional profile, including high level of protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their overall health. Additionally, Shri Ann's resilience in adverse environmental conditions make it an important crop for addressing food security challenges in the face of climate change. Incorporating Shri Ann into the modern diet can not only help improve health but also promote sustainability and preserve cultural food traditions. It is time to rediscover the nutritional treasure of Shri Ann and embrace it as a key component of a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.